Hi. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex, and this week, it's a very important week for me. This week, I am officially 12 months on testosterone. It's been a crazy year. I kind of want to start with a little backstory that I've never really gotten into before. When I was little, I was always a very tomboyish type of girl. Never, ever, 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 ever wanted to wear any type of girl's clothes. Ever. I vividly remember crying when I had to get my first bra, and that was not a fun time. But mostly when I was little, I just never saw a difference between me and other guys, I guess. One moment in particular, when I was in preschool or kindergarten, something like that, I will never forget this day for as long as I live. I can picture exactly where I was, exactly where on the playground I was. Anyway, it was really hot outside, and one of the counselors set up a little sprinkler. Like, you know those like little sprinkler things that you put in, like, it's supposed to water your grass, but then everyone runs through it. They put one of those up. They let all the boys take off their shirts and run through. I remember going to take my shirt off because in my head, there was no difference between me and the other boys. Anyway, I was going to take my shirt off and run through the sprinklers with my friends when one of the counselors, God bless her, I probably stressed her the fuck out. She ran over to me and was like,
No, stop. What are you doing?
and I was just like,
I'm going to run through the sprinkler.
She basically sat me down and was like, you can't take your shirt off. And I was like, why? And she said, and I will never forget these words, she said, because only boys can take their shirt off. And I was like, what? And honestly, that was the first moment where I was physically told that there was something different about me compared to the rest of the boys. There was something different. And that's been kind of the mantra for my entire fucking life. So as I got older, the uncomfort level with me being in a female body just kept growing. Puberty was it was really fucking bad. I remember there'd be times where I would fake being sick because I didn't want to go to school, because I hated having to get up in the morning to put on a bra and to get dressed in girls' clothes, and it was a really hard time. All throughout high school, I knew in my head that, hey, you have a male brain up here. What are you doing with this? I was just growing more and more uncomfortable with the fact that people perceived me as female. Like, someone would look at me on the street and be like, hey, that's a girl, and that made me so, I don't even think uncomfortable is the right word for it. It was just the worst feeling in the entire world. When I finally got the ability to transition, I came out, got my first binder, got my hair cut. It was the best day of my life, even though it looked I went to therapy for a while, went to gender therapy, and then on May 9th of 2018, this happened.
Just, yeah, okay. Pull back a little bit. That's fine, that's enough. And now you can push in as hard as you can. It is quite thick, so it takes a little bit of pressure. There you go. Now you pull it out.
I took my first tee shot and I made my mom film it, and it was great. On that day, I can truly say that I was confident that I was going to finally become myself, and I was finally going to be the person who I was always meant to be. I don't care how cheesy that sounds. It's true. So I guess without further ado, this is my 1 year on testosterone transformation, otherwise known as 1 year to me. Unlike my other testosterone updates, I feel like this video is kind of going to reach a lot of people who haven't seen my other updates, so I'm going to try and do as a holistic approach to this video as I can. These changes are not going to be from my last T update to now. It's going to be from pre-T all the way to now. And I'm doing my voice change at the end because we love a good audience retention rate. So just like always, we are going to start from head to toe and just go through all the changes. So first is my hair. It's a fucking mess right now. Okay, so hair changes on testosterone. Number one, so you can kind of see it here. My hairline did change a little bit. Other than that, my hairline always used to be like really bad. Testosterone for a bit, for about I'd say 6 to 5 months, was making my hair grow really fucking quickly. Next is going to be skin, and I don't know what that was. I don't have a lot of acne on my face right now. That's just because I think it's evened out from testosterone. My acne has never really been super bad, and it's because I'm like somewhat on top of it. Facial hair, obviously I grew a lot more compared to pre-T. I shaved it off because I was growing it for a while, but then it started to look weird. Very, very weird. It was really only growing like right here, like on my neck, kind of like this type of thing. It didn't grow here, it kind of grew a little here. It's super patchy, and I'm not gonna grow it out really until it stops being super patchy, or I'm just never gonna grow it out. Okay, so when it comes to facial structure, around 6 to 8 months, a lot of my friends and even my family saw a lot of change in my face, but I know you're your own worst critic, but I genuinely did not see a change up until like 10 months on. I don't know why. I think my face slimmed out around 10 months and it just like became boxy. So this was me pre-T, pre-everything, even like a couple months on T, and this is me now, and this is more of me now, and just so my face definitely has changed from pre-T to now, but genetically a lot of men in my family don't really have like a square face. It's more oval, round, or I wasn't expecting to get like a square face. Would I love it? Yes, it would be great, but I kind of got to work with what I got. Okay, before I die from fucking allergies. Next one is the broadness of my shoulders, which I'm going to take this off for. So in terms of like broadness of my shoulders, they definitely got more broad, like up here. My trap muscles, they got bigger. My shoulders got a little bigger. My arms got slightly bigger. I've been working out a little bit, but they're definitely not where I want them to be. I definitely got a little bit less scrawny and tiny than before, so that's always great. I'm gonna put a shirt on because I'm uncomfortable. I just left my fucking hat on. I'm a dumbass. So next, in terms of body hair, bitch. Shh. My arm hair, you can't really tell, but it's gotten a lot darker and a lot thicker. So another thing that happens on testosterone is that your menstrual cycle, period, whatever the hell you want to call it, the worst time in a trans man's life, that stops. And it's a great thing. Me personally, it stopped like a week after I started testosterone, so it's a great thing not having to deal with that all the time. But you still get cramps sometimes, which kind of sucks. So girls, I know what you're feeling, and I'm sorry that you have to go through that every month. Guys, if you ever give girls a hard time about period cramps, I will personally go over and slap you. Shut up. In terms of height, I didn't really grow that much. I'm short as hell. I am 5'5", 5'6" on a good day. Testosterone, I think, helped me grow a little bit. Like that 5'6" on a good day is from testosterone, so thanks. I love always being the shortest guy in the room. In terms of like non-physical changes from testosterone, I'm always hungry all the time, and it's kind of annoying. Mentally, I definitely have changed. The beginning was a lot of anger and very easily being irritated. As the months went by, that subsided. Weird things irritate me now. It's not like I'm always angry. It's just like things that I didn't get irritated about before irritate me now. I don't know. It's just weird. Testosterone has definitely changed my whole mindset, how I view myself as a person, my confidence. Everything about me has changed. Something I don't really talk about with anyone, really. Before I started testosterone, I was openly out as a lesbian, but personally, in my head, there was like always like that tiny little like, maybe you're into guys, like maybe if one rolled around that was like, whoa, that has changed from testosterone. I am straight, and I am not gay. Everyone thinks I am, and I'm not. What? It keeps trying to focus on this. Do you guys like this? I got this at Target. It's a little question mark, because, you know, I'm questioning myself all the time. And now, the change that you all have been waiting for, and I purposely put this at the end so you would watch the whole video, the voice comparison, and I honestly think it is my most prominent change from testosterone. Now it is obviously deeper, and I like it a lot more. I don't hate myself when I'm talking, and it's great. So yeah, this is my 1 year on testosterone voice comparison.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 2 days on testosterone.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 1 month on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 2 months on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 3 months on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 5 months on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 8 months on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 11 months on testosterone. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my voice 1 year on testosterone.
And this is my voice 2 days on testosterone.
And this is my voice 1 year on testosterone. So yeah, those are all my changes from pre-T to 1 year on testosterone, and I honestly never thought, stop, you're not gonna cry. Everyone who has been with me throughout this whole time, whether you met me in high school and you always stood with me when no one else would, whether you just met me in college, whether you are part of my family and you have always stuck with me, whether you're just sitting here watching this video and never met me before. Fuck. I never thought I would get to this point. I never thought I would be able to look at myself in the mirror, hear myself speak, and not feel so depressed and just... I want to thank you all so much for all the support that all of you have given me. I cannot thank you enough for it. I don't think that it's a coincidence. I don't think that it's ironic that my 1 year on testosterone also falls on my 5 years on YouTube, because I know that I am not the biggest YouTuber on here by far. I know there's thousands upon thousands of people who have never even heard of my name or who I am, but the support that I've gotten on this channel and from people who I have never met before, encouraging me to keep going, have just supported me through everything. I love you guys so much. I know we're a small little family here, but I hope to one day grow that family, and just thank you guys. I can't say it enough. Yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Back to the YouTube shit. That is it for this week's video, guys, and if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna have a link to a playlist of all my testosterone updates in the description. All my social media links will be in the description below if you want to go follow me, and if you are watching this and you are not currently subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button, because a lot of cool stuff are in the works for this summer. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for being here throughout this whole year, and I hope to make a lot more memories with you guys very soon. I love you guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.